Tires may look similar, but performance and safety vary a lot. Choosing the right one depends on your driving style and environment. 1. All-season tires. Just like the name says, they're made for all four seasons. Work year-round in mild weather. Ideal for city driving. Great if you just want something reliable. 2. Summer tires. These shine in hot and rainy conditions. Excellent in heat and rain. Strong grip and cornering. Not suitable for winter. 3. Winter tires. Designed specifically for snow and icy roads. They have special rubber and tread patterns. Perform best under 7C40 for 0.6F. Must have for winter safety. 4. Performance tires UHP. Built for speed and sharp turns. Common on sports-tuned cars. Perfect for spirited driving. 5. Off-road tires MD80. Made for rough, unpaved roads. Deep treads for strong traction. Great for SUVs, trucks, and adventurers. Bottom line. Seasoned road conditions, driving style, the right tire. A simple tire change can transform your ride's comfort and safety.